Hello my Siren Beauties. In today's video, I am showing you how I do my nails. So we are starting off with Kiara's Sky short stilettos. These are the ones that I use. I am picking up, I believe, a number 3. And I'm showing you that the nails should fit from side wall to side wall. No overage. This is your friendly reminder to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Here I'm picking up a number 2, and this one is too big. At the bottom, you will also see my social media handles. So those are too big. And then the next clip, I am just showing you me fitting all the rest of my nails. So you do that to both sides. Make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. If it's smaller, don't go smaller. I would say go bigger. You can always file up the cuticle line so that it fits and it's more customizable. And here are all of the nails sized and ready to be prepped for the next steps. Next, we're going to take a buffer and we're going to buff the top. And then you're also going to take a file if necessary. And I use the file to shape up the free edge. And this is also where if the nails are a little too big, you can file the cuticle area so that it fits your fingers a little bit better. Here are all the nails ready on their stands. Next up is builder gel. I use builder gel instead of base gel for my nails. This does two things. It does prep the nails for gel polish, as well as add an extra layer of strength to the nails. I notice with this that my nails don't break and they feel more like acrylics. So now we're going to go in with color. I'm going to use this nail polish from Nails by Dev. Be sure to come back on Friday because I'm going to have another video up that features Nails by Dev. It is a very big haul. So come back and check that out on Thursday. So we're just going to take this color and paint one of the nails with it. This is kind of my signature look that I do a lot. It's nude and then one colored nail. This nail gets a matte top coat, also from Nails by Dev, and here's how that looks. Next up, we're going in with my 2 favorite nudes at the moment. So we're going to take these 2 nudes, this one as well as this one. They are both from Amazon. I'll leave it in the description bar. And we're just going to paint the rest of the nails. The base layer is going to be that creamy nude, and then all of them get topped with 2 coats of the see-through nude. And that gets cured in the lamp for 60 seconds between each coat. All the nails get a shiny top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Here is the final product. To see how to put the nails on, follow my TikTok at GSirenNails444. And until next time, bye!